Let's call them miracle moments. One of these moments is what I like to call the quantified achievement power-up. Instead of saying you increase sales, say you increase sales by 25%.
Can I really pack enough life-changing experiences into one video to completely transform my resume? Never to be heard from again. It's like your resume is invisible. And no matter how qualified you are, many of us have been there, feeling stuck, unsure of how to stand out in a crowded job market. It's time to face the facts. A strong CV is your ticket to getting noticed. But what makes a CV?
The truth is, there are a few key strategies that can make all the difference. Let's call them miracle moments. Instead of saying you increase sales, say you increase sales by 25%. Instead of saying you managed a team, say you managed it a whiz. Another miracle moment is the keyword optimization. This is where you tailor your CV. But what if you changed it to say you increase sales by 30% in just 6 months? That's a game changer. By making this one change, you're giving potential employers a clear picture of what you can achieve. You're showing them that you're riches. I want to hear about it in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to the video and subscribe for more tips. See you guys on my next video. Also, if you have any topic you need me to do a video on,